Wish me luck, I'm gonna vlog in public. Bagay pa. Hipster kaysa business owner. Should I? Oh my gosh, I'm planning with my mom. Salmon, tart. CFS Burger. Hello guys, come spend my slow day reset with me. We're going to UP Town Center. Doesn't mean na we're going to spend recklessly naman, no? My idea of a slow day reset is to go to my favorite or go-to cafe and order my go-to drink and then do some window shopping. Pa-U-turn na tayo, guys. And then lastly is to do grocery shopping. Pag grocery shopping kasi, it's like my Disneyland. So I like to take my time pag nag-grocery ako. May pong parking, Lord. Ang bilis naman nun, Lord. Oh my gosh, guys, ang ganda ng parking natin. So, nasa likod ko lang yung entrance ng Landers. Wide lens na nabili ko sa orange shop. Ayan. Naging wide siya bigla. I love it. Very excited to slow down. Deserve ko to. Okay, yun nga, the past week has been super productive. Gawa ko ng contents for my personal brand, for Steak to One, operations sa Steak to One, magpasahod. Although meron naman akong executive assistant, which I'm very, very grateful for. Very hands-on din kasi ako. Looking forward to this day talaga. Para laban ulit the next week, diba? Kahit hindi ka business owner, no? You've been very productive and you've been working hard. It's not selfish if you spend time, money on yourself. Kasi diba, if you don't slow down, ikaw rin mahihirap. Once in a while, I take myself out on a solo date, diba? And, ngayon, mag-under consumption tayo because meron din akong goal na gusto kong i-hit personally. Okay guys, eto na. Wish me luck. I'm gonna vlog in public. Yun yung Landers. Tapos dun ako nakapark. Punta rin ako sa Sunny's Specs Optical. I'm gonna check out some frames. Palitan ko na ba frame ko? I don't know. Nice. Ito yung gusto ko eh. Ito kasi same color. Try natin. Bagay pa. Parang nice na. What do you guys think? Dapat kasi makapal yung frames ko kasi makapal din yung grado ko. Ito yung parang sa akin. Para akong librarian. Sexy librarian. Charot, hindi ako sexy. Medyo lang. But I'm using Owndays kasi this is cute. Parang masyadong akong hipster kaysa business owner. Lipat na tayo. I'm looking for basic pieces para I could just rewear them. Ano nga yung tawag doon? Closet wardrobe. Capsule wardrobe. Para may capsule wardrobe ako. Super cute ng mga summer dresses nila. Ang sarap. Parang Hermes. I love the bag. Batera for the Philippine weather. Sobrang bukas. Beach top pwede to. Perfect. Linen trousers. Nice. This looks so comfy. Linen blend. 1.5. Hindi ko bagay ito sa sinusuot ko ngayon. Butter yellow. They also have it in white. Para ako bumili, I should feel compelled talaga to buy it. Pero in fairness, ang ganda. Ang daming magagandang pieces. Kayo ba guys, saan kayo bumibili ng mga basics nyo? Let me know in the comments below. Help ya girl out. Sabi ko rin kasi, pag nag-medium na ako, dun lang ako bibili. Actually, I got the idea from my sister. Kasi ngayon, medium to large pa ako. Kapag talagang medium na, medyo tinataba din kasi ako mag-fit. Di ba parang may ganito sa TikTok shop? God guys, linen dress. Should I? Minsan kasi nagta-tricycle ako. E di mag-cycling shorts. sige, balikan ko. I'm so proud of myself. Kung ako yung old self ko to, binili ko na lahat ng nakita ko. So, current kasi medyo casual. So, siguro tingin ako sa Uniqlo. Pang errands, ganon. Oh my gosh, I'm training with my bag. Okay, Genki sushi ako. Sabi ko, magka-cafe ako. YOLO. Hello. Table for what? Sabi ko, cafe. Tapos biglang nung nakita ko talaga yung Genki. I miss you. Arte. It's me day naman. Let's order. I'm gonna go with seared salmon supreme nigiri and the seared premium Japanese scallops with pollock roe nigiri. Ayoko ng regular, te. Doon tayo sa supreme. Strict tayo sa 2 plates lang for today's video. Bukod sa takaw tingin tayo, magka-cafe pa tayo. Ayoko kasi magka-cafe ka lang, tapos alam mo yung tagal mo doon, nakakape ka lang. Nasa-stress ako doon. Not that judge ko yung everyone na ganon. Okay lang yun, no? Ako lang, for me lang, hindi ko kaya yun. Tapos iti-take out ko na lang if ever. O, diba? Girl math. At least meron ka pa kakainin after. This is the scallop. Salmon. Torch salmon. Mas okay sana kung medyo torched siya, but let's eat, guys! I love my slow day reset. Okay na ulit. Ready na ulit akong maggirahan next for the following weeks. Itadakimasu. Oh my gosh. So good. Going to Fatseed. And yes, Fatseed is my go-to dito sa UP Town. Hey guys, they are packed. Good business. Yes, let's go. So, punta muna ako Uniqlo. And I can see marami silang sale. This is where I love to shop for basics. Ayan, like this. 990 na lang Arisin na dress. Ito yung mga gusto ko yung mga pang-errands para wala na akong iisipin. Kasi talaga nakakatamad or nakakapagod mag-decide. Cute shorts. Meron akong ganun na super overused. I love the details. Ang cute to. Nag-gravitate talaga ako sa mga navy or cream. Try ko ba? Pwede siyang pang-top. I'm debating whether to get this or lighter colors. Nice. 1.5. Pwede kasi siyang as is, no? Pwede rin siyang pang-top. Very tita. No, very business owner coded siya. Guys, this is the J.W. Anderson collab, but I don't know who J.W. Anderson is. Pero kasi yung tela niya and the color, you know, may logo dyan. I make sure I buy timeless pieces and basics para I can just mix and match them para malesen yung decision fatigue ko. So this one, baka hindi. Okay, next fourth one is this one, perfect for errands talaga. Kung may cream lang sana. Ayoko kasi yung masyadong shade ng cream that they have kasi parang medyo gray. Yeah, it has pockets, guys. Okay, sobrang press ko. And it's so nice. Oh, it's so nice. See, with this hands, sobrang daming bagay. Ang ganda talaga dito, guys. Ang ganda, guys. Para akong high school teacher. My wallet is fucked. So fucked. Here po yung Uniqlo app. So, the place is still packed and I'm at the bar area. Ang daming tao. So, sabi ko later na lang ako mag-order ng food if meron ng table. Okay, so let's work na. Makikita nila ina-edit ko vlog. Mag-give them a show. Charot. Ay, yes po.
Oat milk and decaf.
Yes po. Thank you so much. Oh, wow. That's so good. Totoo kayang manukahan nito. Parang siyang Thai Spanish latte, but sweeter. Guys, akala mo walang gera na nangyari at akala mo hindi tumaas yung mga bilihin because sobrang packed ng place. One TFS burger po. Yes po. And then pwede pa slice po. Sa half. Hindi ko alam kung anong i-edit ko. Kung yung Airbnb, mga day in my life, or etong vlog na to. Hihirapan ako mag-edit sa talking video. Ganun kasi Airbnb ko talking video look. As in, kulang ako dyan, ganyan. Decided to leave Fatsi na kasi na-overwhelm ako, ang daming tao, medyo maingay, ang sikip, hindi ko na alam. So, tinake out ko na lang siya and mag-grocery na lang ako, guys. Ang daming green, so ang daming discounts. Sa dog section tayo. Oh my God! So cute. Yes, two ready to cook packs. Pinakbet. This one. I'm done. Napagod ako, guys. So, I think I have 15 minutes. Well, siguro mga 13 minutes to spare. I'm gonna eat lang mga 4 or 5 minutes. So, sakto may take out ako. So, hope you enjoyed our slow day reset. So, ganun lang ako mag-reset. Doesn't have to be extravagant. Extravagant. Basta kung saan kayo masaya, no? Doing the simple things. Gonna have my mouse moment now. Mm.